Okay guys, a quick one. In today's video we'll be learning how to design a sticker with our smartphone and Pixellab. That is, if you want a sticker for your business or you want to design it for someone, for a brand, I want to show you how you can design such sticker with your smartphone and Pixellab app without wasting much of your time. Let me take you to that. So first of all, I'm going to change this background. I want to go with this gradient. Then the next thing that I will do here is I will go to my shape, then turn the ratios to 100. Then for the color, I'm going to go with this color. Then I will just mark it, click OK. Then I will increase the size. I'll go to the relative size. Let me increase the size. Let's see. Okay, let me go with 65. Let me increase the size a little bit again. Cool, let's just make it 70. Then what I will do next here is I will go to my shape again, then turn the radius to 100 again. This time around I will take the opacity to 0. Then for the stroke I will give it a stroke. Then let us say I will make it 20. Let's make it 20 should be okay. Then the next thing that I will do, I will just click OK. And then for the size, I will increase the size to 60. Let's check it out and see. Okay, let's increase it again. Let's make it 65. Position it at the center like this. Cool. What I will do next is I will do the same thing. Turn the radius to 100, opacity to 0. Then this time around the stroke should be 10. All right, let the stroke should be 10. Then increase the size of this. This time around this one should be 60. Then position it, sorry, I think that one is 60. Let's make this one 55. Then position it at the center like this. Let's increase it a little bit, okay, cool, that is okay. Then let me lock it so that it will interrupt me. So the next thing that I will do here is I'll bring out a text. So I have my text copy already. Sorry for that. I have my text copy already, so I will just go here. Then I'll just place it because I don't want to waste much of your time here. Okay, then I'll click OK. Then I will give it a fonts. All right, let's just go with this. Okay, then the next thing that I will do is I will go to curve. Then I will curve it, just curve it like this. Let's make it 85. Let's just turn it to 100 and see first. Then reduce the size. All right, reduce the size. Then position it at the center like this. Cool. Then the next thing that I will do is I will bring out, let's just adjust this, let's minus this curve a little bit, let's keep it 95. Then position it at the center, sorry, take this up, take it up. Okay, cool. So the next thing that I will do here is I will go to my shape again, then turn the radius to 100. Then opacity to 0. Then for the stroke, let me just make it easy for you guys. Just double tap this one, copy it, then reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. All right, okay, so then bring out your relative size, then position it at the center like this. Cool. I think that should be okay. So the next thing that I will do here is I will bring out a shape. Just go to my shape, then crop it like this. Just do something simple like this. All right, then ensure that you position it at the center. Use your relative size, position it at the center like this. So we're going to match this together. Match 1 2. All right, match them together, match them together. And then I haven't done that. We are going to make use of let me see. Okay, we're going to make use of erase. Just erase it like this. Cool. Then the next thing that I'll do is I'll go to my shape again. Let me see if I can bring this down a little bit. Let's just leave it like that. Go to your shape, then turn the radius to 100, and then for the color give it black, and then reduce the size just a little bit. Then make use of your ruler and then position it at the center like this. Take it to your right hand side. Cool. Then copy this, do the same thing to the other left hand side. Just take it to your left hand side like this. That should be okay. All right, I haven't done that. I'm gonna bring out a text. All right, let's say thank you, all right, then click OK, and then position it here. We're going to give it a font, so let's go with this. You can use anyone that's more preferable to you. You can bold it as well. Then I'll go to this padding, then I'll pad it a little bit so that the U can come out. Then position it here. For the color, change it to black. Sorry, this one we would like to change the color as well. The color of this text, change it to black as well. Then just reduce the size of this a little bit. Okay, then position it like this, take it up a little. Cool. I haven't done that. The next thing that I will do here is I will bring out a text again. Like I say, I have copy, so I'll just place and then edit. Let me click here. Then for this, I would like to arrange this in this way. Let's say thanks for supporting my small business. All right, just business. Okay, and then you click OK. Then go to your alignment, just position it at the center alignment. And then for the fonts, we are going to give it these fonts. Then for the color, give it black color. Okay, give it black like this. Then reduce the size. All right, reduce the size, then position it at the center. All right, bring it down a little, let it be under this. Okay, cool. All right, so what I will do next is I will bring out my logo. I'll bring out my logo. For the sake of this tutorial, I want to use my logo, and then I will just reduce the size, then position it at the center, and then bring it down a little bit. Okay, reduce the size again so that it can be fitted. All right, okay, cool. All right, the next thing that I will do here is I will bring out my brand name. So to make it more easier, all you need to do is just copy this, because I want to use the same fonts. Just all you need to do is just put your brand name, then edit. Let's say Jerry graphic design. Then what I will do here is for the curve, I will go to the curve, then this time around I will just minus it. All right, I will minus it instead of plus. Okay, minus it again. Okay, I think we can go with this 65. Cool. Then you use your relative position it at the center like this, then take it up a little bit. All right, you can as well reduce the size if you want. Let's make it 45 instead. 45. Cool. Then position it at the center, then bring it down a little. Cool, that is okay. Then let me change the color to white and see, so that you see what we have did. All right, look amazing, right? Let me see if I can zoom this out. Okay, cool. Alright, thank you for watching and God bless you. Please, if you have any tutorial in mind you want me to drop in this channel, please do want to drop it in the comment section. I will surely attend to you. Alright, see you in the next tutorial. It's your boy Jerry, graphic design here.